Welcome to my fetching art channel. Drawing a circular flower involves several steps to create symmetry and balance, being as sketching a circle to represent the outer edge of the flower. Next, draw petals along each curved lines. Start with the petals closest to the center and gradually work with your outward way, making the petals larger as you go. Keep the petals symmetrical on either side of each curved lines to maintain balance. You can vary the size and shape of the petals to create visual interest. Once you have completed the petals and details to the center of the flower, this could include smaller petals, stamens, and pistils. Again, aim for symmetry and balance in the arrangement of these elements. After adding details to the center, refine the shape of the petals and erase any overlapping lines or stray marks. Finally, add shading and texture to the flower to give it depth and dimensions. So you have to complete the petals, add centers, details, and add small petals, small flowers on the circle. So these guidelines extend evenly spaced curved lines outward from the center like the spokes of the wheel. After that, you have to draw the stems and color in it. Add shading and texture to the flower to give it depth and dimensions. Pay attention to light and shadows to create more realistic appearance. Review the drawing and make any final adjustment to ensure everything looks balanced and cohesive. And the last thing is that you create and you make the drawing of a leaf. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Remember to practice and experiment with different shapes and styles to enhance your drawing skills. Thanks for watching this video.